Hello students, today we will take up the fourth essential element of a tragedy and it is called as diction. Now, what do you understand by the term diction? Diction is the use of words by the dramatist, and diction viewed as a whole is made up of following parts. First, the letters, second, the syllable, third, the conjunction, fourth, article, fifth, noun, sixth, verb, seventh, the case, and the speech. So, in chapter 20th, 21st and 22nd of Poetics, Aristotle has dealt with diction of tragedy in detail. What does Aristotle say about diction? He says they are the words which a poet uses and can be divided into 6 kinds. First, those current words which are used in ordinary speech. Second, those foreign terms which are imported from other languages. Those which are metaphorical, as for example, cold-blooded, etc. Then comes the ornamental words which are used by the 18th century poets. Then comes the new coinages. New coinages are the words like mimling, mammling, etc. Then comes the last, and that is the forms which are not entirely invented but they are modified. Sometimes the longer words are made short by simple variations. Now, the poet's style, Aristotle proceeds, should fulfill above all 2 conditions. Firstly, it must be clear, and secondly, it must not be mean. If it uses only current words, it will be clear but mean. So, if it uses only strange words, it will not be mean but either obscure or jargon. So, accordingly, modified words are variant forms and are useful as being neither mean nor obscure. Compounded words, he thinks, are best for lyric or ode. Then he says rare words suits best in epics, whereas metaphorical dictions is the best suited to the verse of drama. For this is the meteor which is closest to the prose of ordinary life, and a poetic diction which is mainly metaphorical can similarly keep closest to the language of ordinary life. The gift for metaphor, adds Aristotle, is the greatest of all, and he says this alone cannot be thought but is a mark of natural genius, for it implies an inborn eye for likeness. Now, he says that the treatment of metaphor should be clear, concise, and inspired. So, in this way, Aristotle says that the far reaching truth of this last statement, disguised as usual in the simple casual language, it is not fully realized how much the art of poetry consists in the somewhat childish pleasure of realizing that one thing is like another, in revealing unseen similarities between the unlikeliest subjects in the vast.